For many years, a lot of our friends used to tell us that we want to buy a home in the mountains. And I thought that there's an opportunity. It's very difficult to buy a home in the mountains. It's very difficult to buy land because it's illegal to buy land, and the land holdings in Himachal are very small. So it's very difficult to consolidate them. Then after that, to then end up building a home, it's difficult to find a contractor, to get the right finishing. You have to take 100 trips to build a home. And then finally to maintain a home, which is very difficult. Then somewhere down the line, I felt that most people in our generation have not vacationed every year or 5 times a year in Singapore and Bangkok and all. Our vacations were in Simla or Srinagar or Mussoorie or those places. So I feel somewhere down the line, there's an aspiration for everybody to own a home in the hills. And earlier it was an aspiration, but wasn't backed up with wealth. Now it's still a latent aspiration, but it's backed up with wealth because people have done exceedingly well in the last 25 years. There's also a need to get away. People are fed up of living in matchbox-sized homes, even if they live in large homes, to live in a city like Delhi or Ludhiana or even Bombay. So there's an opportunity out there where we are fulfilling a need. Bigger than that is it's an unorganized industry in Simla, or in Himachal. So I felt that rather being a small player in a big pond, might as well become a big player in a small pond. So we decided to go ahead and do something on a large scale, and with the objective of becoming the #1 real estate company in Himachal. Well, Orama Valley is a community of people with similar value systems, of people with similar education backgrounds and similar experiences in life. Orama Valley is a place which is pristine as far as the environment concerned. It has very high quality construction which we want to give to our people, and we want to give a very high quality, hassle-free experience. So that is the whole concept of Orama Valley, which is mainly luxury. We offer homes in a number of categories, 2, 4 and 5 bedroom. The concept being that whatever the size is, it has to be luxury. So if you compare apples to apples, our objective is that our home, or your home actually, in Orama Valley should be better than your home where you live in, whichever place you do. So if you live in a 2-bedroom apartment, your apartment in Orama Valley needs to be better. If you live in a villa, no matter, you could be in the best location or street of any part of the country, but your villa in Orama Valley is better, and I guarantee that. We have a 2-bedroom home which is 1,600 square feet, maybe a little short. We have a 4-bedroom independent duplex. We have 5-bedroom villas. So we have the entire gambit to cater to anybody's and everybody's needs. I am extremely cautious of the quality of construction. I'm extremely cautious of the product that we want to deliver. We actually build this as if we're building a home rather than building a commercial development. We have actually moved on to the steel building concept, which is a very prevalent concept in the West since the 1950s, in China since the 1980s. It's a more expensive way of making a building, but at the same time, it's a very sturdy way, it's a faster way, it's a cleaner way, it's a greener way. Even the steel buildings, we are, I would say, one of the #1 people in the country vis-a-vis the specifications. Our buildings are so highly specced that they probably compare to the best buildings in the world. We do a lot of work when it comes to our retaining walls because, as you know, in the hills, retaining walls, foundations are a critical part of building a home. So we are building, dams, as people call them, that will last you, 100 years. We also ensure that there are only super brands that enter our project. So we have brands like Havells or Fenesta, Somani, Berger, and similar kind of brands, but unless it's not a super brand, we don't let it enter a project. At the same time, to make sure that we're giving a quality product and on time, we are building everything ourselves. We're not outsourcing it to people, which should have been the right way to do. But being so far away, it's difficult to get good quality contractors to build Orama Valley. So therefore, we've got our own teams, and we think we're giving a good product. Well, Orama Valley is a licensed project. We are approved under the Town and Country Planning Department of Himachal Pradesh. And being a licensed project, people can buy a property and get it converted into their name with a sale deed. All you got to do is, when we are close to possession, you apply to the government. We obviously help you with all the administrative work, and you are able to get yourself a permission within 3 to 4 months. Well, we provide a host of other services. So our objective is, although this is a real estate project, but it is a second home or a retirement home for people. We don't want them to go through all the inconveniences that they go through in normal life. So your maintenance, security, housekeeping, laundry, cooking, everything is included. For example, for your maintenance, you don't need to be, even if you're not there and there's a leak in your WC, we're not going to wake you up in the middle of the night in some other part of the world. People come in there, they fix it, and they send you a bill through the club. You have people looking after your building. If it's a building, your villa, if it's a villa, they will open it up twice a week, air it, dust it. And when you come in, you're ready to go. You don't have to open a house and then air it and have the other issues like you would have in a house which is closed for 3 to 4 months if you're not living there that often. We have 24-hour security, we have CCTV cameras, we have drones, we have housekeeping, so all your laundry issues, your beds can be made. We have cooking, so if you don't have a cook, we'll send a cook across to you, he'll cook a meal, and there you go. So the objective is to give a complete experience to people which is well-rounded and very service-oriented. Well, it actually started off as a club. We were building a club, and because we were building the club at such high spec, we realized that we will not be able to maintain that standard over the years with the club subscription and the club rates. Therefore, we decided to convert it to a boutique hotel, where it is used as a really upmarket, world-class boutique hotel for the outsiders and as a club for the residents of Orama Valley. The hotel will have a spa. It has a salon. The spa is designed by some of the best interior decorators in the world. It has a cards room, it has a movie theater, indoor swimming pool. We have a kitchen for 3 cuisines, Indian, Chinese and continental, large bar and bars, huge dining area with 4 private dinings. We have indoor gym, outdoor gym. So a number of facilities, including a play area for the kids. So it's a pretty large area. We have 25,000 square feet built up, only a public area, and about 50 to 60 rooms, which we are finalizing now. The helicopter club is a very unique concept. We are the only developers in the country who are actually giving a helicopter on site 365 days versus saying we only have a helipad. The reason for helicopter are 2. One is to make sure that people of Orama Valley are comfortable when they reach Orama Valley. So within 20 minutes, you reach from Chandigarh to Orama, and from Simla airport to Orama Valley, it's only 7 minutes. So it gives you that feel of luxury. It gives you that feel of the rich and famous, which is generally beyond the means of even rich people. The other reason of a helicopter is to ensure that you're medically secure. So God forbid there's a serious emergency where you need to be evacuated. You as an Orama Valley resident need to be secure that there's a helicopter out there, and within 35 minutes you'll be inside a world-class hospital in Chandigarh. It's a members club. We expect people to subscribe to it. In fact, it's compulsory. It's not very expensive, approximately 6 to 8 lakh rupees, depending on the kind of home that you've bought. And after that, you pay nothing monthly. You only pay when you use the helicopter, which is also very heavily subsidized. People in Orama Valley are from an age group of 40 to 70. The common thing between them all is they have the thread of the same value system, similar education background, similar experiences, similar network. They are generally people who are from mid-scale businessmen to even some billionaires. They are CEOs and CXOs. They are mainly from Delhi, Chandigarh, London, Mumbai, Singapore and Dubai. Well, the objective is to have Orama Valley become a self-sustaining community. We don't want people to go out for their medical needs or their grocery needs or any of the other home needs. So we have a clinic at site, which is a 4-bed clinic, which is nursed 24 hours. We have a doctor coming in once a day. The objective of the clinic is to take care of your regular health needs as well as something critical. So if something critical happens, you get stabilized at the clinic, and that's when you go to a hospital either in Simla or you go to a hospital in Chandigarh. We have a grocery store which is operational and gives you all your basic amenities from cleaning to eating. The grocery store, which is actually called the tuck shop, will become much bigger and will take care of your larger needs and luxurious needs like salmon or caviar or cheese and those things that you want. We promote a lot of culture of wellness and sports in Orama Valley. So we have a tennis court, a basketball court, a volleyball court. Of course, there are walks. The golf course is right next door, which is a big blessing. We also cater to the needs of the people who are more religious or spiritual. So there are places for satsang and prayer. I welcome you to Orama Valley. I guarantee you a home in pristine environment. I guarantee you a world-class quality. I guarantee you fantastic people as your neighbors. So come and visit us.